The salmon of Bristol Bay feed the world, and the system out here is mind-boggling. It is hard to comprehend salmon runs of this magnitude. This pristine setting and this intact ecosystem sustaining life, and the Kviak is the artery that allows all that to happen. The Kviak is, to me, one of the most special places in the world. This river sustains life for the region. It has the largest salmon run in the world on it. The sockeye salmon run comes right past our lodge, and our rainbows grow to legendary size. You know, if you told me, hey, you got one day in Alaska on one river, where would you go? It would be the Kviak.
That's my most favorite sound ever.
I think Alaska Sportsman's Lodge is unique in that our location gives us the flexibility to either fish our home water, the Kviak River, or access many nearby streams with our float planes. I wanted to be located on a world-class trophy category river, combining that with the ability to fly out. The program is very user-friendly. If a client chooses to fish the Kviak, they can do so. If they want to fly out, they fly out. The guides at Alaska Sportsman's Lodge are the best in the world. I work really hard at getting the best people here. Our guides know how to teach. They know how to take somebody who's never fly fished before in their lives and put them on fish. And at the same time, they know how to handle a client that's been fishing all over the world.
We've got guys that really just enjoy fishing themselves. And once you've found the passion for a sport like this, and to be able to see somebody else's eyes light up is even like the next level for us.
Alaska Sportsman's Lodge will accommodate 20 exclusive guests on any given night. Our packages start in Anchorage with a private charter, meaning we control the experience from the time the guest leaves Anchorage all the way through their time here until they get back into Anchorage. That's a unique thing for a lodge to be able to do. As far as what we do here, we're a full-service fishing lodge that caters to the traveling angler. We're a destination located 240 miles southwest of Anchorage in an area that's known as the Bristol Bay area. People are coming here specifically to fish, We do have other activities, bear viewing and float trips and some sightseeing, but our main focus is fishing. Any type of angler that wants to come here, we can accommodate. Not only are we a fishing destination and put together fishing experiences for our guests, it's also a culinary experience as well. So we have elevated our game here, and now we're at a stage, I think, where we rival any five-star restaurant in any major city. Our culinary experience, we take a lot of pride in it. Fantastic menu of high-quality food, and we're sitting in the middle of nowhere. Obviously, we want our guests to have an enjoyable experience, and having a delicious meal at the end of an epic fishing day is just the capper. We want you to feel like you're at home. We don't want you to be walking on eggshells, afraid to touch anything. We want you to be very comfortable while you're here and treat this as you would your own home. We work really hard to make sure that things go very smoothly and the guests can relax. They can really get immersed into this and really just shut off the outside world and focus on what's happening and what they're doing right now and right here. Flyouts from the lodge allows people to have the opportunity to see some of the most pristine, rugged, untouched wilderness in the world.
You don't realize how big this region is until you get up 1,000, 2,000 feet, and the freedom and different opportunities you have in the area, unlimited options.
We're on the edge of Katmai National Park and Preserve. We fly through areas that have volcanoes, gin-clear streams, rivers just teeming with salmon in the millions, lakes that look like they're just unbelievable, brilliant blue.
This is one of the most spectacular fisheries in the entire world. We do have a lot of diversity of fisheries here, and that's, I think, one of the pluses to the lodge.
This system allows these rainbows to grow to enormous size. It's basically the major leagues versus the minor leagues.
Sometimes all you can do is look at that fish and just go, wow. He did everything he could to get off the hook. He won, I lost.
It's not all about catching fish. It's about an experience. We're creating an experience here for people. I get people that genuinely care about what they're doing. They care about the lodge, they care about the facility, they care about the resource. And I feel proud to be a part of it.